Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, you need to renew your ITIN and you're wondering, can I just go to a local IRS office to get it done? The answer isn't a simple yes or no, but let's break it down so you know exactly what to expect. You cannot walk into an IRS office and have your ITIN renewed on the spot. They don't process the applications there. Those offices, officially called Taxpayer Assistance Centers or TACs, serve a very specific and helpful purpose in the renewal process, but they are not the processing center. Here's how it actually works if you want to use an IRS office. First, you absolutely must make an appointment. You cannot just show up. You need to call the IRS appointment line to schedule a visit at your nearest TAC. When you go to your appointment, you must bring the completed Form W-7, which is the application for an IRS Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. You'll also need to bring the federal tax return that you're attaching the W-7 to, unless you meet an exception. Most importantly, you must bring your original identification documents, like your foreign passport, or certified copies of these documents from the issuing agency. At the appointment, an IRS employee will review your Form W-7 for completeness and, crucially, they will verify your identification documents. The biggest advantage of doing this is that the IRS employee will hand your original documents, like your passport, right back to you at the end of the appointment. This means you don't have to mail your most important documents and wait weeks or months to get them back. After they verify everything, the IRS employee will take your application package and forward it to the official ITIN processing center in Austin, Texas. So, the local office acts as a verification and forwarding service, not a renewal center. Now, what are your other options? The most common method is to mail your Form W-7, your tax return, and your original or certified documents directly to the IRS address listed in the W-7 instructions. The major downside here is being without your passport for an extended period. Your third option is to use an IRS-authorized acceptance agent, or even better, a certifying acceptance agent, also known as a CAA. These are professionals in the community who can also verify your documents, often with more flexible hours than the IRS, though they may charge a fee for their services. A certifying acceptance agent can also hand your documents right back to you. In short, while you can't get your ITIN renewed at an IRS office, you can use their free appointment-based service to safely verify your documents in person, which is a fantastic option to avoid mailing them. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider